Hey guys, if you've checked out some of my recent shorts that I've done on shopping for a newer riding lawnmower, I'm not real happy with the Yardman that I've got. Obviously the desire for a new lawnmower runs in the family. My father got himself a real nice zero turn. I'll throw a picture of it up here in the video. And he gave me his old one. So here we are. We got an L110 John Deere. I think it's from the mid-2000s. I don't remember exactly when he got this thing. Let's unload it from the trailer and we'll take a quick peek at it, see what we've got. Thing I don't like about my Yardman that's over there in the corner is that it is not a foot drive. What I mean by foot drive is over here we have a go forward, go backward pedal that runs the hydrostatic transmission. And on the Yardman, this is essentially our go forward, go backward pedal. The problem you get into with the Yardman when you're maneuvering around in tight spots, like around trees, etc., is that it's kind of hard to steer. One hand on the steering wheel and the other hand on the go forward, go back lever. John Deere, of course, is a far better brand than Yardman, which is a pretty basic machine. My father's had this for, as I say, I think since 2006. He bought it new, 2005 thereabouts. It's been relatively trouble-free. In the spring of the year, we quite often have issues. We got to force air into the fuel tank to push the air through up to the carburetor. But other than that, for instance, this year I hopped on it, hit the key, and away it went. No problem at all. Over on this side, we've got our cut height. Several different notches. It's labeled to 4, but there's 7 different locations. The 7th, of course, being absolute all the way up. We've got a brake, parking brake lever. I don't know how well that shows up for you guys, but there's 236 hours on this thing. Hardly even broken in. Well, I shouldn't say that, but we're going to have to do some maintenance on this thing. It's definitely going to need an oil change, probably need an air filter. The battery seems to start good, so I think we're in reasonably good shape there. I don't know what kind of shape the belts are in. And definitely we've got a tire that leaks. But guess what we happen to have? A couple of these. And I've even got 2 more. I'd ordered them in, I don't know, a year or 2 ago with the intention of using them on a project. And that project never developed into anything. So we've got spare tires that will hopefully fit on this side. Looking over here at the tires, I think this is the one that leaks. I know that machine has a leaking front tire, but the other side still has nubbies on it, looking like it has been replaced relatively recent. As you can see, we've still got some nubbies here. This is getting later in the evening. The light isn't very good here in the garage, and I've had a busy day, so I think this is as far as we're going to take this at this moment. But I'm going to bring you guys back over the next couple of days. We'll see if we can clean this thing up a little bit and give it a once over, see what kind of shape it's in, maybe throw some new tires on it, and we'll have a good video. Thanks for stopping by.